Assalamualaikum, this is Afshan Hussain. I am physiotherapist and the host of this channel. I am here today to share you some professional physiotherapy tips and exercises to manage the osteoarthritis of the knee joint. So if you have been diagnosed with the osteoarthritis which somewhere around moderate to the severe level, and some of your doctors must have advised you to go for the knee replacement surgery, and have you given you some injection to get back your knee lubrication, which may reduce your pain for some time, but again you have to face with the same problem. For some reason, if you don't want to go for the surgery and manage your knee pain in a conservative way, physiotherapy can be lifesaver for you. Knee osteoarthritis is known as degenerative joint disease. Is typically the result of wear and tear and progressive loss of articular cartilage. It is the most common in elderly people and can be divided into two types, and which is primary and secondary. Primary osteoarthritis is articular degeneration without any apparent underlying cause, and secondary osteoarthritis is the consequence of either an abnormal concentration of the force across the joint, as with the post-traumatic conditions, or causes an abnormal articular cartilage such as rheumatoid osteoarthritis. Rheumatoid osteoarthritis, which is the second leading cause, or which is the second type of the osteoarthritis, and the symptoms may include pain can be gradual in onset and worse with the activity, knee stiffness and swelling. Pain arises after the prolonged sitting and the resting. A patient may be encouraged to use heat therapy to warm up the knee joint before the physical therapy exercise, and to use the cold therapy after exercise. You can use heat therapy in the morning to loosen up an osteoarthritic knee, and use the cold therapy to reduce the swelling a few hours later. So guys, let's get started from the exercises for the knee osteoarthritis. But before going to start, never forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Start from the straight leg raise. Perform this exercise in lying position. Perform this exercise with 5 to 10 repetitions with 2 to 3 sets. Now the half knee to chest. By flex your knee and relax. Make sure you have hold the knee and relax. Perform 2 to 3 times twice a day. Now the static course. Roll up your towel and place it over the knee. You can perform this exercise in a supine position, or you say in a lying position. Press the towel here and squeeze your knee by dorsiflexion. You can perform this exercise with 10 to 30 repetitions twice a day. Now the long sitting calf stretch. Stretch through the help of towel and relax. You can perform this exercise with 2 to 3 times twice a day. Now the towel assisted knee mobility. By the flexion and extension of your leg through the help of towel. Make sure you are sitting in a straight position. You can perform this exercise with 2 to 3 times twice a day. You can also perform a straight leg raise in a sitting position by simply stretch your leg and dorsiflex your foot. This exercise is very helpful for the geriatric patients or the individuals who are working in a sitting position. Perform this exercise 5 to 10 times twice a day. Now the other exercise, safe squats with the help of chair. By flexing your leg and straight your arms. Here chair is used for the safe side. This is also helpful for the older adults. Perform this exercise 2 to 3 times or as much as possible. Now the double heel raise. This is a calf strengthening exercise. By raising your leg through the help of forefoot. Here your arm should be in a straight. can perform this exercise 10 to 20 times. Now the last one, medial quadriceps mini lunge. By one leg straight and other leg in a flexing position, and place your hands above the pelvis. Repeat it 5 to 10 times twice a day and make complete physiotherapy routine.